Wagwan Massive. You don't know, say it, girl, Whitney.
And hey, it's your boy Jessie.
And we are back today, guys, with another video. That one, yeah, it's gonna be a banger, a sheller. It's going to be mad.
Yeah, we got some crazy comments that we want to respond to. So.
And some good ones, okay? Some really good ones, because we appreciate. Let me just start off by saying we both appreciate like all the good comments and all the support we've been getting. Like, it is so good, like overwhelmingly good, and that's a good thing. I like that. I like when it's over. You know, when the good outweighs the bad. We like that. So thank you for doing what you do. Okay. So there are a couple of like bad ones that we want to address and just get the record straight and just let people know, you know what I'm saying, like, we really don't care about your negative vibes. You can just keep that over there. We're all about positivity over here and good vibes only. Okay, we are a happy, loving, married couple, and we don't need that kind of vibe, so keep that over there, please. Okay.
When we get on here, right? When we get on here, we want to motivate people. You know what I'm saying? We want to make people's day go better. When people watch our videos, we want their day to be better. You know what I'm saying? Because we want to give those kind of vibes. To those, you know, to people who watch our videos. So, negativity. I mean, we know it's a part of life. It comes
for sure.
But like I said,
everybody not gonna like us. We get that. We understand that. You know what I'm saying? We just feel like some people go a little bit overboard with stuff they say, and some of it needs to be addressed. Okay, so we gonna jump right into this video. One of the first, I'm gonna start with the bad ones because this one really like ticked me off, and I shouldn't let it bother me, but this one was really like so racist. Like, I wasn't expecting this, and it didn't have nothing to do with the video. You know what I'm saying? Like, it was not, the comment wasn't related to the video at all. So the comment says, "She looks like a Jamaican slut. You stupid bitch. Go pick some more cotton." And this was on our calling my Jamaican wife a B-word prank. I don't get that. Like, it's 2020. Like, y'all still on that racist stuff? Like, just be gone with that. Bye.
I don't know.
Like, that is not even, it's not pertaining to the video or nothing. Like, that's just a stupid comment. Like, why would you? Well, they had enough sense to delete it, but I seen it, and I'm pretty sure a lot of other people seen it, and I just felt like it needed to be addressed. Okay, so we're not even gonna entertain that anymore. That's where we stopping it.
All right.
Out the door.
That internet balls.
Right. This one says, I hope y'all having a good day, and my Jamaican sister, you have to say this, Jamaican forever. Love how you talk. We Jamaicans funny. By the way, I'm a new subscriber. First, I want to say welcome and thank you, Jamaica forever. I want to damn.
We appreciate all you new subscribers.
We do, but you know,
a lot of you guys get on and say, "Hey, we're new to the channel. We're loving it. We're subscribing." Yeah, we appreciate that.
We really do. Thank you. It kind of sound like Wakanda forever. That was so funny to me. I thought that was so funny. Okay. This is also on our calling my Jamaican wife the B-word prank video. This is a comment. It says, "Fucking black girls, man, this is why they stay single and get cheated on."
So was he talking about, okay, was he talking about your response?
I don't know what he was talking about, but what I got from it, all I heard was, that's why we get cheated on and that's why we're single. First of all, I'm obviously married. I'm not single. You can't sit here and say, because I have some kind of self-respect, it was a prank, but I didn't know it was a prank at the time. If my husband is speaking to me and calling me a bitch, you don't expect me to defend myself. You expect me to just, I don't know what you expect me to do, but let me tell you something, boo. I'm gonna defend myself, okay? I don't care who it is. If you disrespected me, best believe that I'm going to respond.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna take it sitting down. So that makes no sense to me, your comments.
Y'all gotta understand something, alright? And let me just make this clear. Because a lot of people is like, I have sent up comments from them like, you call her a B-word, girls get called that all the time.
Mm-hmm.
Well, not mine, alright?
Okay.
I'm a gentleman. I'm a gentleman.
Tell him, baby.
And I don't feel like any female should be called the B word, you know what I'm saying? I still open doors for my wife.
Mm-hmm.
I still cook sometimes.
Yes.
I still clean sometimes.
Yep.
She do most of the cooking and cleaning, but I still help out. You gotta understand, like,
people crazy. They crazy. Like, I'm starting to see now, you know, how crazy people are. All right, so we have another good comment. I like this comment. It's funny to me. It's really funny to me because I didn't realize the resemblance until she said this. So the comment goes, he reminds me of Prince Naveen from Princess and the Frog. That was so funny. Oh my God. We're gonna attach a photo of that cartoon.
Let me see. Let me check your face.
I thought that was so funny. Because you kind of do though, babe. You kind of look like him. Like, he a handsome guy. And you handsome, so.
Cool.
Thank you for that one, girl.
I think it's the hair is what it is.
That's so funny. So the next negative. So I'm doing one bad, one good, you know. Just to balance the scale a little bit. Imagine disrespecting your wife for a YouTube video.
Alright. Let me take care of this one, alright?
Okay, go ahead, boo.
Because that's pretty funny, right?
Wow.
Alright, so like I said, I don't disrespect my wife. But I think if I'm gonna get a reaction, I want the world to see the reaction I'm about to get. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm doing this and it's on camera just in case you're trying to do something crazy. You know what I'm saying? But you know, like I said, I'm not a rude person, so I do want to see what would happen. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
Like, how would she react?
If
That's
I
how
get
you get
this
the legit, you know,
reaction.
like for real reaction and stuff like that. So.
But yeah, I hope that answers your question, ma'am or sir. Okay, so another one that was really funny to us was the one she said, laughing my ass off. I love how Whitney quietly took her stuff off, put her hair up, and then pounced. Laughing my ass off, she was ready to whoop ass. Man, let me just tell you, okay? I know my husband doesn't cheat, but when he called me on that phone, I wouldn't think about that. I was just thinking about what I heard on the phone, and what I heard sounded like some cheating, okay? So the only thing I was thinking about is coming home to catch him in the act. You know what I'm saying? So I wasn't thinking, like, I was just in the moment, like, at that time.
I know this motherfucker.
Right, like, I know he ain't crazy enough, you know what I'm saying, to be having no girls up in my house doing the dirty, doing the do, okay? So that's all I was thinking, but I thought that was funny. That's really funny. Another one, it wasn't like a bad comment, but I just thought I would address it as well. It says, why did they post the beginning of him moaning?
Oh, the what video was that?
That was the cheating prank that we just prank. Yeah.
All right, so the point of me moaning in the beginning was for her to think I butt dialed her. You know what I'm saying? So
right, while he was doing the nasty.
Her, and now she think that I'm doing something, so she hear me moaning in the phone. You know what I'm saying? So that's gonna bring her home.
Right, to grab my attention, like something going on.
Thanks to you guys, I didn't eat. Because she never went back grocery shopping after that. So, just FYI.
Man, okay. I was done. But I hope that answers your question. He said, he really ate 6 tacos. Oh, I know he was on the toilet. Let me... Go ahead, babe. Go ahead.
First of all, Tacos is my favorite food, alright? If y'all seen the previous videos talking about our favorites and stuff like that, taco is my favorite food. I can throw down on some tacos, alright? And yeah, I was on the toilet afterwards.
First of all, let me just say, 6 tacos is nothing compared to what he used to eat. My husband used to eat a lot of food. Like when I made breakfast, I had to make like 12 eggs, like a whole bunch of sausage, pancakes, or waffles, or whatever the case might be. Like now, he really cutting his portions down because...
Yeah, I'm trying to get a little bit more cut, a little more lean, you know what I'm saying? At first, I was all about strength and power, so I was walking. I was like 225, now I'm all the way down to 205 right now, so...
Yes, okay? So, yeah, he eat a lot, y'all. That's what I got to deal with. Okay, so this is one of the bad ones, guys. This person said, why is she acting so tough? Now I know why black females always get abused by their men.
Which video was that?
The same video calling my Jamaican wife the B word.
Okay, why you acting tough?
I mean, I said it. I answered this question already, but I will answer it again. If somebody is disrespecting you, it doesn't matter who it is. You need to respect yourself enough to defend yourself, right? So I don't care if it was my husband, my brother, my cousin, a friend. If you're disrespecting me, I'm not gonna sit there and take that disrespect. I have enough self-respect to defend myself, okay? But I just don't understand, like, and what do you mean that's why black females always get abused by their men? My men don't abuse me. I don't abuse my man. Like, what are you talking about? And who are you to make that assumption? Like, you're just out of pocket. Like, bye. To the left with that one, because we ain't even gonna entertain it no more. Okay? Alright. Okay, so somebody, this one is it's not a bad one, it's a good one, but it's really funny to me. Somebody said, and I'm gonna tell you why it's funny. She looks and sounds like Spice. That's funny to me because a lot of people tell my mom that she looks like Spice. I don't think I look like Spice. I mean, Spice is a beautiful woman and I love her. I love her music, but I don't think I look like her. And I don't think I sound like her either. But my mom, she gets that a lot, that she looks like Spice. So I thought that was really funny when you said that.
Yeah, her mom and Spice favor
a little bit, yeah. So I thought that was really funny. I like that comment. Like this was a real shocker to me. Like I didn't expect this comment. I don't know what to think of it. But we got a real shocker today. This comment reads, okay, because this is a question, and I told him that we would address it in this video. So here we go. The comment reads, I'm sorry, I'll delete this comment when y'all answer, but do y'all have a OnlyFans account? I would pay top dollar to see him lay the smack down on that juicy booty of yours. Okay? Stop laughing, babe, okay? I can't stop getting really you know, that I'm attracted to you, prank. I'm not attracted to you anymore, prank. With you bent over, that crease in the middle of your shorts while facing the camera was my breaking point. Please respond. I need y'all OnlyFans, please. I told him I would address it, well, we would address it in the video. He also sent another one saying, where is it? If it is possible, can I get like a golden ticket? I don't know what a golden ticket is, y'all, but I'm just reading, okay? Before everyone else joins first. I'll cash app y'all $200 to do so and subscribe monthly right away. I'll also be active and interact so y'all get the credibility you deserve. Do you want to start on this one or should I? Do
we have an OnlyFans? No. We do not have an OnlyFans.
No.
All right.
And we don't intend on making one. I really didn't even know what OnlyFans was until like probably a month ago. So this comment reads, "No disrespect, but your wife is beautiful."
Great comment.
Very good comment. I don't think that's
comment.
Disrespectful. I mean, you said it very respectful, so I don't see how we could take it like disrespectful at all. Like that was
Right.
And thank you, I appreciate that.
Yeah, for sure. Like y'all can judge us, you know what I'm saying? If you think we look good, say it. If you think we look bad, say it. You know what I'm saying? Hey, it is what it is.
And I just want to say we can take constructive criticism. What we don't like is bashing and the racist comments and just going overboard. We don't like that. And if you do comment something like that, going overboard or being racist or bashing us for no reason, just know we're going to remove those comments. We're not even going to entertain it. We're not going to comment on it. It's just going to be removed, okay? Because like I said, positive vibes. Okay?
Positive energy.
That's it, that's all.
So when people like come from work, from a bad day at work, they come home like, you know what? Let's watch some Jessie and Whitney. And just sip on some wine or something and just laugh and have fun. That's it.
So another comment that I liked, she said, "She a real Jamaican for real. The accent no sound fake at all. Me like Uno, so me I go subscribe." Thank you, girl. First of all, because I've gotten multiple comments saying that they think that I'm not a real Jamaican because I'm able to like switch from the American dialect to Jamaican dialect. Let me just say this, okay? I have learned how to switch back and forth between languages. And that does not mean that I'm not 100% Jamaican. I'm born and raised a Jamaica, Spanish town. I grew up. I was born in Jubilee, born in Jubilee, Kingston, Jamaica. Yeah, and I went to Excelsior High School. All of my high school friends, most of them are on my YouTube. They're there for verification, okay? And I went to the University of Technology, Jamaica. So I don't know why people don't think that I'm Jamaican because I speak a little bit of American. Let me just tell you something. You see? Any American who hear me I speak, I want to come over here, come learn. Okay? Me never have it in me from before. I am 100% Jamaican. And I'm not going to entertain those comments anymore because I don't have to prove really that I'm Jamaican because I know who I am. My mom knows who I am. My father, my mother, my brother, 100% Jamaican. They're still living in Jamaica right now. My family, my auntie, my uncle, everybody. So let me just stop it right there. 100% Jamaican, and don't ever question that, okay?
Hey, she threw me off too though. So I was confused.
So let me
when I
just
first met her, I was confused. So
I think what it is because I've been coming like back and forth to the US since I was like 3 years old. I kind of like adopted to the environment, the language, everything. Like I was coming here since 3 years old, people. 3 little pitney, this big, okay? So hey, I know how to do both. I can put it on my resume, right? But yeah, I hope that answers that for everybody that's having doubts. Another thing that caught our attention like a couple minutes before we started making this video, and I feel so good about this. Don't you feel good, babe?
I do feel good.
Like this feels so good. Her name on Instagram is Shy Tessania. So it's Shy_Tessania. Oh my gosh, she sent us like, oh my gosh, she don't even know what this means to us. She sent us a screenshot of her sharing our page on her Instagram story. I was like, oh my god, that feels so good. Like what? So yeah, that's gonna also be on the screen for you guys to see. Big up yourself, girl. Yeah, thanks for the shout out. We love everybody we support with, and we appreciate all of you guys, okay? I think we can just there's a lot of other good comments. Like, I can't even begin to go through, and I'm not gonna be able to like shout out everybody individually, but I just want to say big up on yourself. We love you know. We can't tell you this enough. Like, you guys make us feel so good, and we really appreciate everything. If you go on all our comments, you will see us individually when we can, saying thank you and welcome to everybody, because that's just how we are.
Right, we're trying to respond to everybody, you know what I'm
yeah
saying? Because we really appreciate it, you know
we
what I'm
do.
saying? You guys are doing awesome, and the good comments definitely outweighs the bad
for
comments,
sure.
So.
Yes, we're not gonna, you know, the little trolls that I don't even want to talk about it.
We was already warned about it.
Yeah, we were. I didn't know it was gonna be like this though, but hey, it is what it is. Okay.
And one more thing I want to say real quick. If people think that Whitney is a bully, all right, you gotta understand something, all right. Well, I was 225. Now I'm down to 205. All right, so I'm a decent sized person. All right. People don't know I'm a police officer.
Right.
Before I was a police officer, I was a firefighter. Okay. Before I was a fireman, I was a professional wrestler. All right. So all these
and the list goes on.
All these are manly jobs that I've done and that I'm doing. Okay.
And you did bodybuilding. You go to the gym on a daily basis. You lift pounds way bigger than me. Okay, like I don't understand why people. I mean, you guys are only seeing like 10 to 15 minutes worth of footage out of our lives. Sometimes it's like 3-4 weeks apart, because most of the videos we make are not like, oh, we make them today and we post them tomorrow. No. So you guys have to understand that you only see like a small part, the part that we want you to see. Okay. So please don't judge us before you know the whole story. Yeah, I know it might seem like I'm this horrible person or I'm just like a big bad wolf, but I'm really not.
That's what I like though. I like that she's
fierce.
She's a
I'm
boss.
Fierce. Yeah,
she's a boss.
I can admit
she's
it.
Active. She's not afraid to speak her mind. She's not going to sit there and if I say something to her, she's not going to sit in a corner. You know what I'm saying? She's going to, talk to me.
Don't say that, husband. Right. Oh my God, don't say that.
That's right there.
I'm not going to do that. Sorry.
Those kind of, like, I can't do that.
I'm not a pushover. Put it like that. And he's not a pushover either. Don't let his little shyness or quietness on the camera fool y'all, okay?
Hey, she
my bad man.
She got tough since she got tough since she been in the US. Though, I tell you that. You guys are awesome. All right, we're on the road to 10,000 subscribers right now,
yes.
And we're planning on doing a giveaway, right? So these shirts you got on right now, these are Jessie and Whitney.
Let me stand up so they can see the back.
And on the back it says, like, subscribe, and
share.
Like,
subscribe, and share.
When we get to 10,000 subscribers, we're gonna send 2 shirts. One male, one female out. Brand new shirts. We're gonna send it out to
whatever their address is.
Right. We're gonna send it out. We're gonna send it out to 2 of our subscribers who subscribe to the channel. Who
is active, like comments.
Who comments, who's active, and who have the notification bell turned on.
Yes.
So we will give those the information out. Within after we get that 10,000, we'll like announce those winners or whatever.
And then keep in mind, guys, we're not monetized yet, so we can't really like give out like super huge gifts. Okay, so please don't cuss us out. We're not make money yet. Okay, we're just it like
right now. We just doing it just for the fun of it.
Right,
right
we just doing it for entertainment. Yeah,
it's just cool. It's something we enjoy doing. So
yeah. And then for the Jamaicans. If we're not able to send you like a t-shirt, because I don't know like if it's harder. I think it's harder to send like items overseas right now. So we would just probably we're just going to some credit. You understand? Some phone credit. All of my Jamaican people, Caribbean people, we have Digicel or Lime. We don't know about a little something there. So yeah, we got your back. Okay, we're gonna top one up. So we just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. We really appreciate y'all. I know y'all tired of us saying this, but we really do. So this means a lot to us, and we finally hit that 5K mark.
Hey,
celebrate.
Bless.
So thanks for that as well. Right, babe?
Right.
Yes. Wait. Sit down, not go nowhere. Hold on. Don't forget to go over to our Instagram page and follow us. Our Instagram is Jessie_loves_Whitney. Okay, so right now we don't have like a community page for some reason on YouTube, so we're not able to like interact with our subscribers individually. Like if you guys wanted to reach out to us and send us a message or give us some video suggestions or something, anything, we can't do it on YouTube right now. So we're encouraging everyone to just, you know, go on over to our Instagram and hit us up and follow us. All right, so with that said, I think we just gonna sign off, you know.
So if you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and you'll have
good luck for the rest of the year. And don't forget to hit that post notification bell, y'all. That little bell, ding ding, hit it for us. All right.
All right. Be smooth. Stay safe. Until next time.
All right, we out, y'all.